It is a unique opportunity of a special meeting between the periphery of the State of Israel, namely Sderot, that suffered for many years and months from Qassams, with the city of Jerusalem. Not all of the students or not all of the kids have ever been to Jerusalem, with their parents and with the friends of the Hebrew University in Canada. Who would dream of such a combination that at the end of the day speaks one language, science, because it is a scientific camp for the kids. Parents came to see what's going on and to get the impression what's the importance of this meeting. Friends from Canada and students from Canada attending this event, and the university is the house where we stay. So I'm proud and happy to be part and parcel of this initiative.